about that. That's Manhattan traffic. I made it in time for the peace pole. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael Wildes, and it is a privilege to be here. Service above self is the motto, and it's something to be very proud about. 5 schools, all middle schools getting together in the middle of a pandemic. Well, Mother Nature is testing our mettle while our consciousness and our calendars clear itself. With the winds of war in Europe, I can't think of anything more significant than making sure the city of trees, look at these magnificent noble trees, where the young people rooted in everything that's important and coming together. It's a beautiful thing, and they actually sit to decide, as I understand it, Doctor, between the different languages, what letters, what should go, and what it means. This is the antithesis of apathy, of ignorance. This is everything that we strive for, and that is an electorate and a community that cares and knows and studies what we're doing. This is a beautiful tradition in the city of England to start, and I wish you Godspeed and should continue. We should see these poles all over the place. Just be careful where you're driving. If you're coming from Manhattan, it's at the stop sign. And all I can say is to each of you, the children that met somebody a little different, that goes to school, looks a little different, talks a little different, learns a little something different, continue to learn and open your minds. This is a beautiful country. This is a beautiful time. Again, we've had a chance to clear everything, and we're thinking about what's important, and that is giving peace the most chance. God bless.